In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another calendar in Google Calendar from Chrome on your phone. To get started, open Google Chrome on your phone. Once Chrome is open, go to calendar.google.com. If the page loads in the mobile layout, you'll want to switch it so you can access the full desktop interface. To do that, use Chrome's desktop version option. Turning this on is important because some calendar management tools are easier to find in the desktop view than in the standard mobile version. After the desktop version loads, give the page a moment to fully refresh. Because this is the full Google Calendar site on a smaller screen, things may appear a little compact, so take your time and zoom in if needed. This can make it much easier to see the menu areas clearly and avoid tapping the wrong option. Now look toward the bottom left section of the calendar layout. In that area, you should find the sidebar panel labeled Other Calendars. This section is where Google Calendar lets you manage additional calendars beyond your main one. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll slightly or carefully scan the left sidebar to find it. If the sidebar looks collapsed or crowded, a quick zoom can help make the label easier to spot. Once you've located the Other Calendars section, look for the plus sign next to it. This plus icon is the button that opens the options for adding another calendar. When you tap it, you'll be moving into the menu where Google Calendar provides ways to expand your calendar setup. That's all you need to do for this part of the process. The key things to remember are to open Chrome, go to the Google Calendar website, switch to the desktop version so the full controls are available, find the Other Calendars panel in the lower left sidebar area, and then tap the plus sign beside it. If you're following along on a phone screen, patience really helps here since the desktop layout can feel a bit tight on mobile. A careful zoom and slow scrolling can make the experience much smoother. And that's it. You're now in the right place to continue adding another calendar from Google Calendar using Chrome on your phone.